Excellence is not a skill, it's an attitude. Ralph Marston. Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching Grammaring, English Grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss a new vocabulary, a new word. The new word we are going to discuss is languish. Languish. The pronunciation for this word is languish. 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 Languish is a verb. It means languish is an action word. Now, we are going to see the meaning of the word languish. Languish means grow weak. There is one more meaning for languish. It is to exist in an unpleasant or unwanted situation, often for a long time. So, in this class, we have discussed two different meanings of languish. One is grow weak and the other one is to exist in an unpleasant or unwanted situation, often for a long time. Let us look at the synonyms for the word languish. Weaken, grow weak, deteriorate, decline. These are the synonyms for the word languish. Now, we are going to use the word languish in sentence. Look at this example. Traditional rural industries continue to languish or disappear. It means traditional rural industries continue to grow weak, become weaker. Plants languish in the drought in summer season. Lack of water during the summer season makes the plants grow weak. There is one more sentence for you. Ram has been languishing in jail for the past 32 years. It means Ram has been in an unpleasant or unwanted situation for the past 32 years in jail. So, languish means to become weak or feeble, suffer hardship and distress. Distress means state of being upset. So far in this class, we have discussed the meaning and usage of the word languish. Languish means grow weak or exist in an unwanted or unpleasant situation for a long time. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.